Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our today's class, we will be solving these questions using order of operations. So let's just continue with the very first question that we have. So we will be following PEMDAS for it. P E M D A S. P is for parentheses, then E is for exponents, M is for multiplication, D is for division, A is for addition, and S is for subtraction. So actually the first operation that we will be doing, we will be performing parentheses. After that, we will be doing exponents and then multiplication and division. It's a pair, okay? It's a pair. For this one, we will move from left to right in our equation to see which operation is coming first, okay? And then addition and subtraction, that's a pair as well. For this one, we will be moving from left to right in our equation as well to see if addition is coming first, then we will perform addition. If subtraction is coming first in equation, then we will perform subtraction. So let's just move towards the very first question that we have, which is 6 square divided by 32 minus 29 whole square. So what is 6 square? That is 36, right? Okay, so now I will be solving the parentheses that is inside. So what is 32 minus 29? So 32 minus 29 is equivalent to 3, right? So I will get 3 and there's a square on the top of it, right? So now, as per PEMDAS, I will be performing this parentheses and this exponent first. So 36 divided by, what is 3 square? That is 9, right? So 36 divided by 9 is equivalent to 4. So answer for this one is equivalent to 4. Now let's just move towards the question number 2 over here. So for this one, we will be solving those parentheses first. So what is 21 minus 17, which is equivalent to 4, multiply by 14 minus 9, which is equivalent to 5. And then there is a square on the top of it. So 4 times 5, that's equivalent to 20, right? And then there's a square on the top of it. So 20 times 20, that's equivalent to 400. All right. So now let's just move towards the third question real quick. So for this one, we'll begin following PEMDAS. So first of all, 11 square, that's equivalent to 11 times 11. That's equivalent to 121 minus 3 multiplied by 8 minus 5 square is 25 minus 19. So now we will be performing this multiplication operation. 121 minus 24 minus 25 minus 19. So now for this question, I will move from left to right, and I can see the subtraction is coming first. So I will perform subtraction first. 121 minus 24, that's equivalent to 97 minus 25 minus 19. Now 97 minus 25 is equivalent to 72 minus 19. So minus 19, that's equivalent to 53. So that's going to be my final answer for it. Now I will be moving towards the fourth question real quick. So 11 square is 121 minus 3 multiplied by 8 minus 5 square is 25 minus 19. Okay, so now 3 multiplied by 8 minus, what is 25 minus 19? That's equivalent to 6. All right. So now 121 minus 3 multiplied by 8 minus 6, that's equivalent to 2. So now 121 minus 3 times 2 is 6, right? So now from 121, I will subtract 6 from it. So 121 minus 6 is equivalent to 115. So that's the answer for it. Now let's just move towards the fifth question real quick. As you know, 11 square is 121 minus 3 multiplied by 8 minus 5, that's equivalent to 3. On the top there will be a square, minus 19. 121 minus 3 multiplied by 9 minus 19. All right. So now 121 minus 3 times 9 is 27 minus 19. So now from 121, I will be subtracting values, okay? So 121 minus 27, that's equivalent to 94. Let me put 94 minus 19. So minus 19 from it, that's equivalent to 75. So that's going to be our final answer for it. Now I will be moving towards the very last question over here, question number 6. So 12 multiplied by 3 plus 11, that's 14. 14 plus 6, that's 20. divided by 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 3 is 8, right? So now as you can see, there is a division and there is a multiplication involved. So I will move from left to right. I can see multiplication is coming first. So I will multiply first, okay? That is 240 divided by 8, right? Then I will divide it by the 8 and I will get my final answer to be equivalent to 30. So this is the correct way of doing it, okay? Some people will do it like they will perform the division first and then whatever the answer is, they will multiply it with the 12, which will make it wrong, okay? We will always follow PEMDAS. If you're following PEMDAS, you will always get the correct answer. So this is all from the today's class. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel so you don't miss the coming videos and the coming lectures. Bye for now.